We have worked about Greenpeace. Greenpeace is a NGO that works for environment and nature. An NGO is an no non-governmental organization. The organization was built in Canada in 1971.
In the start, they tried to stop the nuclear test in America, but after a while, they became an environment. In 1983, Greenpeace started in Sweden. Greenpeace has their organization in 39 countries, but they can go to other countries and help the countries with nature problems.
And what do? They work about people, nature, energy, and oceans all around the world. Things they do is stopping the global warming and preserve the biodiversity of the world's oceans. The Greenpeace has stopped the whale capture and they have done that. Antarctica is a world's park. They're trying to stop the overfishing. They're also trying to stop the deforestation.
Here's some critics that Greenpeace has gotten. Greenpeace has gotten much critics about their non-democratic organization because their members doesn't get to vote about the questions, only the person will get to vote. But Greenpeace say that they need to make quick decisions in hard times.
Some things you can do to save the world. Take the bike or walk instead of motor devices. Buy eco food. Recycle. Throw trash even that is not yours. Use electric motors. Use non-fossil fuel. Use fuel, recycle fuel.
Now we have gotten a video we have to show you.
Do it again. It's coming up soon.
We have, oh no. Yeah, here's the video we were about to show you. It's about how the climate change has affected the bears and other animals in the world. Ice. Yeah, it's terrible to see how
Yeah,
the
starving
climate, the starving and
so no chance to keep.
yeah. Okay, here's one more thing we are going to talk about.
Yeah.
Thank you for us, and we'll see you in the next one.